Let's make this fun 2x4 reindeer. Has a little pom-pom nose on one side and then a little knob nose on the other. And it has pipe cleaners for the antlers. I cut a 2x4 to 5 inches long. Now this board was pretty rough, so I sanded it a bit with 100 grit paper, including the edges to soften them. I made little reindeer face line drawings that are specifically for a 2x4 or 4x4. See the link around this video for where to get these holiday line drawings and a pack of carbon paper with this nice stylus to trace it. I taped the drawing onto the board and put the carbon paper shiny side down. It only takes medium pressure to trace it. Then I painted using a reddish brown color on everything but the eyes, nose, and mouth, which will be different colors. Once that dried, I painted the nose red, and then I used my paint pen to outline and paint the tops of the eyes. This pen has a fantastic beveled edge that works perfectly for this. See the link for where to get yours. Later I decided this brick red was too dark for the nose, so once it dried I painted it a brighter shade, and then I used that same color for the mouth. I used my black paint pen to outline the black of the eyes as it has a sharp bevel tip. Then I made that outline a little wider. Now I had planned to brush paint the rest, but this paint pen made it so quick and easy to do, I used that. Now for the second reindeer face, it's going to have the knob nose. It traces out with the same pattern on it, but I only put a dot in the center of the nose because that will be the center point for where I'll put the knob. So here's a knob. Let's try it out and see how it looks. For this face too, I painted the same reddish brown color on everything except for the eyes, which will be different colors. For the eyes, I outlined the black part first, and then I painted the whites with a brush. And then I painted the eyes black. Next, I painted the drawer pull knob a bright red, even though it looks a little orange on this camera. I positioned the knob, and then I made a light mark on the underside to help me reposition it later. Now I'm using a hot glue gun on the high setting and using glue sticks that are made for wood. I found these super fuzzy brown pipe cleaners to use as antlers. I held two together and made a flat spot in the middle where I'll glue them on. After that, it was a matter of twisting the sides around each other and pinching to hold them together, and then bending and shaping the top parts into antler points. Now they're a little too tall here, but you get the idea. I'm using a hot glue gun on the low setting and glue sticks that are made for wood. They stick really well to these antlers too. After I saw that knob nose, I knew I had to put a pom-pom on face one. My glue gun is set to low, and it went on so quick, and it's so cute. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come on over and see me at heartwoodart.com and find out how to make more of these Christmas scrapwood pieces.